everyone, welcome back to our ultimate guide on the top MBA destinations around the world. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be telling you top 5 countries that you can target if you want to pursue an MBA. From tuition fees to post-study work opportunities, we'll cover everything in this video, so watch this video till the end. One of the popular destinations among MBA aspirants is USA, with top institutions like Stanford, Pennsylvania, Wharton, Harvard, MIT, where you can get rewarding academic experience. यहाँ पे आपकी tuition fees around $85,000 per year रहती है, but the starting salary is amazing. It is around $150K annually. इसके अलावा US also offers the optional practical training program, which allows international students to work up to 12 months post their graduation. For STEM graduate, there's even a possibility of extension, जो कि बहुत ही बड़ा advantage है to anyone who's looking to gain hands-on experience. Transitioning to Europe, another great destination for MBA aspirants is the United Kingdom. यहाँ की बढ़िया institutions हैं. For example, London Business School, Cambridge, Imperial College Business School and Oxford. They offer 1-year MBA program जहाँ की average tuition fees is around £60,000 और यहाँ पे आपकी starting salary would be around 80 to 150K pounds. UK also provide 2-year post-study work visa जहाँ पे आप आराम से वहाँ रह के सारी चीजें experience कर सकते हो. तो अगर आपको भी एक fast-paced environment पसंद है तो UK आपके लिए best option रहेगा. Moving on to France, this country combines academic excellence with rich cultural experience. There are multiple top schools like HEC Paris, INSEAD, ESCP Business School and ESSEC. यहाँ पे the average tuition fees of the top institutions is around 80K euros per year and the graduates can expect a starting salary from 40K euros to 100K euros per year. France also offers temporary residence permit जिसकी help से international graduates can stay up to 2 years in France in search of employment. France का culture and business का blend आपको एक unique experience दे सकता है. If you are somebody who values education and experience, then France is for you. Shifting towards Central Europe, Germany emerges as a top choice for MBA candidates. यहाँ पे the top institutions are Frankfurt, Mannheim Business School, ESMT Berlin and WHU. इनकी tuition fees is around 45,000 euros per year. Graduates can expect to start with the salaries around 45K euros to 90K euros per year. Germany allows international students to stay up to 18 months after completing their graduation in order to seek employment in their own field. ये country उन लोगों के लिए ideal है जो cost effective education के साथ employment opportunities को ढूंढ रहे हैं. Lastly, let's talk about Australia. This country offers a balance between work opportunities and education. यहाँ पे the top institutions are University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, Queensland University and University of New South Wales. The average tuition fees in Australia for MBA is around 47,000 Australian dollars and a graduate can expect a starting salary of 95,000 Australian dollars. Australia भी एक ऐसी destination है जो work-life balance को value करता है, making it perfect for all those who are seeking flexible and relaxed lifestyle. तो हर एक country अपने तरीके से MBA students के लिए opportunities provide करती है. तो जब भी आप कोई country choose करो to pursue your MBA, अपने 3 चीजों का ध्यान रखना है. That is your career goals, financial situation and your desired cultural exposure. And अगर आप तब भी confused हो, then book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. इसका आपको link description में मिल जाएगा. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment down if you have any other doubt and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.